Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin, and in this video I decided to show you guys how you can be able to start up using the VIRALTREND. A lot of you have been looking for this particular video, asking me, apart from owodaily, is there any other micro website in which you can be able to do in order for you to get paid apart from the owodaily. And this is VIRALTREND, which gives you opportunity to also do different tasks online, and then you get paid from each. I'm going to be showing you how we're able to make money within these few hours I just signed up in VIRALTREND, and how you can be able to make money out of it too when you sign up using the website. First of all, you will understand that VIRALTREND is a micro work site where advertisers come, post jobs or tasks for individuals to do it and to make it done. Once the job are being done, you get paid for each task you do. So promoters come to the site or to VIRALTREND, pick a job, then do the task, and then after which you are being paid for each. So for you to start on VIRALTREND, first of all, you need to sign up, either sign up using the basic account, which is 500 naira, or use the premium account, which is 1,500 naira. So the basic account gives you the opportunity to do the different tasks and all of that, but you cannot be able to post job. For those of you who would like to post your Instagram pictures and all of that, and pictures for people to like and comment, so you can do that with the basic account. But with the premium account, where you pay 1,500 naira, you have the opportunity to post different tasks, different jobs for people to do, and at the end of the day they are being paid for the job they do. So you can do different tasks on this platform by signing up and all of that. So after each task, you are being paid little amount of money, ranging from 6 naira, 10 naira, 3 naira, depending on the job that you are taking. So all you just need to do is to understand how all of this thing works. I'm going to be showing you my dashboard right now. So this is my dashboard. Let me show you how all of this work. My dashboard right now. And if you go down here, you will see the different tasks. You see the different tasks in which you can be able to do. And as you can see here, these are the different tasks in which is given to you to do. And for you to do all of these tasks, there are different payments. Like this task, this is an Instagram post. This Instagram post, okay, this is a Twitter like. All you just need to do is to go to the Twitter, like the tweet, and then you are being paid 3 naira for this particular stuff. Then the Instagram post, you also like and you get paid, and Instagram live to this 3 naira. All of these are the different tasks in which you can do as of this particular moment. So once you do these tasks, different tasks, you will get paid for doing them. All you just need to do is to link your Facebook account and all of that using your app. Then you read the instruction, you'll be able to see how you can be able to do that, and you'll be paid directly into your account. Let me show you the different tasks in which I have done. I've done some tasks. Okay, these are the different tasks I've done within these few hours. I have done some different tasks and I was paid different amount of money. Now if you check my wallet, I just signed up a few hours ago. Check my wallet, you will see that I've been paid up to 25 naira or so. So this site gives you the opportunity to sign up, and then you raise a little amount of money. It won't make you financially free, but you can use it to raise little amount of money for yourself. For those of you who are looking for simple stuff you do online, instead of wasting your data online, browsing, and at the end of the day you don't have anything. Okay, as you can see here, I have 300 naira, 30 naira right now. I just signed up. Nobody has signed up with my link and all of that. So here too, they say that the minimum amount you can be able to withdraw is just 5,000 naira. So that is to say that you do these tasks. If you are consistent doing all of these tasks, you will see that you will be able to make at least 500 naira each day and all of that. And once you do this, you'll be able to make amount of money, a lot of money for yourself. So as I said earlier, this cannot make it financially free, but you can use it to raise little capital for yourself instead of wasting all your time browsing on Facebook, chatting on WhatsApp without making any money for yourself. So you doing this can help you. All you just need to do is to sign up using the link I'll drop in the description box, and then you get started either with the 500 naira offer or using the 1,500 naira. They have different packages and different features in which you will do. So you can also, when you sign up, you refer your friends. once you refer your friends to use your link, you have the opportunity to if they sign up using the 500 naira offer, you have the opportunity to earn 25% commission from them signing up using your link. Then if they use the 1500 naira feature to sign up, you will get 40% commission for them signing up using your referral link. All you just need to do is to understand how all of this thing works. This platform is quite similar to owodaily. Owodaily is quite expensive for some people, 3,000 naira to have a 13,500 naira and all of that. But this one, you have the opportunity to sign up using 500 naira or 15, and then you get started and all of that. All you just need to do is to understand how it works. Do the simple tasks. Just come here, you click on this, view more details. Once you click on this, view more details, you will see it will appear like this. Once you click on this, view more details, it will appear like this. As you can see, let me call that, sorry for that. Okay, you view more details. Then once you view more details, you click on this accept offer to be done. Once you click on it, you see that it says successfully accepted. Then you now have to click this referral link with this countdown. After this countdown have done and you have clicked the referral link, going to using your Instagram page or account, it will take you to your Instagram page. Then you'll just like the post and then come back, click on done, put in your username or your Instagram handle, and then you get paid instantly for doing that. So this is it, guys. If you're able to do this regularly, every day, you'll be able to make little amount of money for yourself. So once you do this, you'll be able to get little amount of this. So imagine doing this every day. Let me say you make 500 naira every day. Let me bring out my calculator, and let me say you do 500 naira every day, and you do it for complete 30 days. Times 30, you'll see that you'll be able to make around, let's say, 15,000 naira and thereabouts doing this particular single task. So all you just need to do is to do the different tasks that are available. Once you click done, as you can see here, they say if you have done that, you click done, it will take you to the page and all of that. So all you just need to do is to understand how it works, and then you get started and all of that. So there are little bonuses you get from these different tasks and all of that. So try to understand this, sign up using the link in the description box, as I will leave it there. Some of you can use it to raise up income for yourself and get started. So it will not make you financially free. That's why I say you can go to my channel. I have done a lot of different videos on how you can be able to make money online, like where I talked about affiliate marketing. This one simple task you can be able to do, refer individuals to a particular product. At the end of the day, you will make commission. These are different jobs, different money making videos in which you can be able to watch. You can watch them and then you get started and all of that. So on this channel, I show you different ways in which you can make money online and then you get started. Like this affiliate, this was the last one I just dropped. You can also start up using affiliate marketing and all of that. I know many of you might be saying affiliate marketing for you to sign up, the fee and all of that. You can raise money for yourself, get started with it, and then you make a lot of money for yourself. So there are different making money videos on this channel. You can go through them. If it's something you are interested in, you can get started and all of that. If this video was interesting or it was what you are looking for, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. For those of you who are new to my channel, please show your voice some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel to get more informative and educative content like this and all of that. See you on my next video. Peace.